Hello, hello, my friends. It's Dion at the Blushing Mint. Guess what, my friends? I have finished Nature's Remedies. And so I wanted to bring this to you and show it to you and share with you what I have done with her. I realized that I forgot to add some charms to the bottom, so I will be doing that. But overall, is, she has an 1.5 inch spine and is approximately 5.5 inches wide, 5 3/4 wide by 8.5 tall. And I didn't count the pages or anything like that. She's hand sewn in to the spine, and then I covered it with lace. And then on the front cover, I have a few tags. I have just an envelope. I haven't put anything in there, but we've got a little envelope in there and another little tag. And it just has some flowers and some rope trim and lots of lace and trims. And I am not putting an actual closure on this. I'm going to leave it just like a book. So I'll just do a quick flip through of her. She's got her library pocket with a couple cards. And again, this kit is Nature's Remedies, and it is a collaboration between Tracie Fox Love Junk Journals and Andrea Allen, who is Artie Mays. Tons and tons and tons of journaling space in this, with tags and pockets and tucks, literally galore. All of the tags have been, have a little bit of a, it's kind of hard to pick that up. It's just a little stamp on the back. And then except for this one, of course, I forgot to do that inside those pages. So again, it never fails. Every time I do a flip through, I find things that I need to add or change. As I go along, it happens. This is another tuck here. And then we've got some Edith Holden pages that just flip out for additional journaling. Got a little stenciling is what is on the backs of the tags and inside any of the cards. And so this just tucks into a little lace belly band there. I've added some fabric ruffles to some of the pages. If you hear the thunder if you hear the thunder in the background, there's a storm. Gotta love that. More Edith Holden pages. This is that page over flip. So there's a pocket here. There's the paper sack here. When you open it up, there's a tag here. And then if I were to take it off the page, which I just have clipped up here, there is another tag in the back. More tags, just tons and tons and abundance of journaling space here. Just journaling cards, tags. This is a piece of that handmade paper. I've done just a decorative scissor cut on that there. Center of this signature, same thing. Some more handmade paper that I did in the last video. And that just tucks into that pocket. And big journaling card in this pocket. Center of the signature, I will put some charms on those tags, or on those strings here. And another, maybe one of those handmade papers that's just extra journaling, just tons and tons of places to write and tuck in this one. Here, another pocket, and I just made a little envelope here that, oh, there's a fly. Sorry if it's on camera. I've got my door open because the dogs are outside, and then I made just another little envelope with that handmade paper and tucked that in. So yeah, then this is one of the envelopes that I made, and then I added a piece of lace dyed paper inside of there with a decorative trim, and that tucks in there. And another big tag, some more Edith Holden paper and handmade paper and fabric ruffles, and just, I mean, there's just so much. This is a tuck spot with just a little journaling card there, tons of journaling, another big pocket with a big tag, and more journaling, and then our second signature. And I didn't put anything in these big pockets, just as, you know, the owner can tuck their own things in there. And then some more fabric ruffles, another big tag, Edith Holden, homemade envelope, and some lace dyed papers to tuck back inside that one. And I've just used some decal edge scissors and cut the edges of that, and then just inked the edges there. Then this is a tuck spot, and I didn't tuck anything in there, but you would just tuck right into that. Then we have another journaling card in this one, and a big tag here in that pocket. Over here we've got a tag, and then if I was to take this off, there's a pocket here. I did not put anything behind that one. I also will add some trims on top of my paper clips. I need to do that. I forgot that. And then the center of this signature, and I added some more handmade papers with a decal edge there, and I've inked and stenciled, and so those just tuck right over the pockets. And I've left this, and I haven't added anything here. It's just a fun little flip. And then another piece of handmade paper here on that one. Here's a side pocket, and I've done an envelope with a little piece of lace dyed paper here. And that just sits inside that pocket with another little journal card there, and a big tag. So yeah, this is definitely a journaler's journey, a journaler's journal on this one. A couple tags in there, and then that fun pocket there, and then this is just like a policy envelope, and I've left, I haven't tucked anything inside of that, and just put a clip on that to close it. And then Edith Holden paper, and just lots of flips and tucks and just journaling spots galore. And then Edith Holden paper here that tucks out, flips over. And then I did tuck another journaling cards in there, and a big card there. And again, I left this pocket open so you can tuck your own stuff in there. And then the last page of the signature, and I just realized that I need to put my business card, or my little calling card, and my handmade tag on here. And so I need to finish that, add a few charms to the bottom of it, But Nature's Journal is done. So she is finished. And I'll just add those extra little embellishments there. And then we are ready to tuck into our Reader's Digest book, and we are going to start our idea journal series next. So I am super excited to get started on that project, and so that is where we are going from here, is straight into our idea journal. And then as we start building this idea journal, I'll be sharing with you some pockets, tucks, tags, different embellishments and things that we are going to create that we can put into this idea journal so that we can continue to reflect back on it when we have those I don't know what I want to do moments of I've lost my mojo. So that's kind of our game plan. So that's where we are going with this one next. So friends, get out your books, get ready to start that series with me. I hope you enjoy this quick flip through of the Nature's Remedies, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. So thank you for all your kind comments. Thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for being here. I just so appreciate it, and I look forward to starting this next new project with you guys. So friends, thank you so very much, and I will just visit with you in the next video. Take care, friends. Bye-bye.